Okay, so we have My First Animals. Yeah, by DK. Touch and Feel picture cards. You ready? You ready? Can you handle it? Okay. Here we go. You ready? So let's take, there's our first animal. What does it say?
Cow.
Cow. Is a cow soft? Yeah, can you feel it here with the cow?
Yeah.
What's that feel like? Is it soft?
Yeah.
Yeah, what color is the cow? What color?
It's silver.
Kind of brown?
It's silver.
Okay. It's unknown question mark. Mommy thinks it's brown, but that's okay. Okay, can you say bye-bye, cow?
Bye, cow.
Are you ready? And what does this card say?
Zebra.
Zebra. Can you feel the zebra's tummy right here?
Yeah.
Yeah, what does that feel like? Is it soft or hard?
Soft or hard?
It's soft. And what color is the zebra?
Black.
And white. Yeah. Wow.
White.
And what sound does the zebra make? Yeah, I don't know. Maybe we should do a safari and find out, right? Yeah, or go to the zoo. Yeah. Okay, bye-bye, zebra. And what does this say?
Crab.
Crab, okay. And what does a crab feel like? Can you feel right here? Is that bumpy or smooth?
That feels smooth.
Yeah, I think it's bumpy. Yeah, it's kind of that bumpy texture. What color is the crab?
Red.
Yeah, it's kind of a red color. Yeah. Can you say bye-bye, crab?
Bye, crab.
Bye, crab. All right. Oh, and what does this say?
Dolphin.
Dolphin. And is the dolphin smooth or is it bumpy?
Smooth or bumpy.
Yeah, I think it's smooth. Yeah, and what color is the dolphin?
It's silver.
Yeah, it's kind of gray, right? It's kind of,
Gray.
yeah, it's a gray color. Very good. Do you know what sound the dolphin makes? Yeah. We'll have to work on that one. Like or something.
Bye-bye.
What does this say?
Turtle.
Turtle. And what color is the turtle?
Turtle.
Okay. So is the turtle smooth or is it bumpy?
Or bumpy.
Yeah, it's kind of got a bumpiness to it. And actually, I'm glad you picked it up because it reminds me on the back, it has all kinds of, it has the pronunciation in English and Spanish and French and German and Chinese. And it has some questions like, what is the name of this creature? And what sound does it make? Or what sound does the word turtle start with? Yeah, it's a lot. It's a lot of questions. I agree. A lot of questions. Anyway, we're gonna move on. Can you say bye, turtle?
Bye, turtle.
Bye, turtle. And what does it say?
Monkey.
Monkey. What sound does a monkey make? That's right. That's right. And what color is the monkey?
Brown.
It's brown. And is that soft? Doesn't that feel soft? Isn't that nice? Kind of hairy? Yeah. Hairy monkey. All right. Can you say bye-bye, monkey?
Bye-bye, monkey.
Bye-bye, monkey. All right. And what does this say?
Outfit.
Okay. And what color is it?
Red.
Oh, can we feel his ear? Well, let's see. What does his ear feel like? Is that smooth or bumpy?
It's or bumpy.
Yeah, it's kind of bumpy. Yeah, it's got a texture there. Yeah, it's kind of nice. Yeah. All right. It says, is an elephant big or is it small?
Big or small?
I think it's big. Pretty sure it's big. On this card, it's kind of small, but at the zoo, and in the wild, it's quite big compared to you and me. Can you say bye, elephant?
Bye, elephant.
Bye. All right. What do we have here? What does this say?
Parrot.
Parrot. And what color is the parrot?
Red.
Red, green, and blue. And did you know that a parrot has feathers? It has it soft. Yeah, it's kind of soft, isn't it? Yeah. And this is, well, yeah. So, very cool looking bird. Yeah. And, okay, can you say bye-bye, parrot?
Bye, parrot.
Bye, parrot. Right, and what does it say?
Rabbit.
Rabbit. And what color's the rabbit?
Gray.
Oh, well, some rabbits are gray. This is very true. But this rabbit's kind of a tricky color, kind of a tan. It's kind of brown. Yeah. What color is his ears?
Right.
Yeah. Is his ears soft or are they hard? They soft? Yeah, soft. Can you say bye, rabbit?
Bye, rabbit.
Bye, rabbit. Okay, moving along. And what does this say?
Dog.
Dog. What color is the dog? Kind of same color, kind of a brown. And yeah, can you feel her? Is this soft?
Yeah.
Yeah, do you know what sound a dog makes?
Ooh.
Oh. All right, and what does this card say?
Horse.
Horse, and what color is this horse?
It's gray.
It is gray. And does that feel soft? Is his tail soft? Yeah, isn't that nice? Yeah, do you know what horses eat? Yeah, like they eat hay and they eat oats and carrots and apples and yummy, 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 yummy things. Okay, can you say bye-bye, horse?
Bye, horse.
Yay! Yeah. And what does this say?
Tiger.
Tiger. And what sound the tiger makes? Roar. With dignified. That's right. And what color is the tiger?
Brown.
And orange and black. Yeah, a lot going on. A little bit of white there. And is it smooth? Yeah, it's kind of smooth. Yeah, isn't that nice? Yeah. Okay. Say bye-bye, tiger.
Bye, bye, tiger.
Bye, tiger. Oh, what does this say? Kitten. Of course, the kitten. Yeah. The blondie. It's kind of like a little yellow. Is it kind of yellow?
Yellow.
Yellow, clearly. Can you feel right here? Is it soft? And you know what sound a kitten makes? Very good. Very good. Can you say bye-bye, kitten?
Bye-bye, tiger.
Okay. And what does this card say?
Sheep.
And what sound does the sheep make? Good. And the feel right here? Oh, how's that feel? Oh, it's a little scratchy, isn't it? A little scratchy, but also soft. Kind of soft. Yeah. You know what color it is? Kind of white, blonde, yellow. White, really? Okay. Can you say bye-bye, sheep?
Bye-bye, sheep.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye, Jake. All right. And what does this card say?
Duck.
It says duck. Do you know what sound a duck makes?
Quack.
Quack, 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 quack. And can you feel this? Does it feel soft? What color is this duck?
White.
Yeah, very good. Very good. Say bye-bye, duck.
Bye-bye, duck.
Bye, duck. And what does this card say?
Fish.
Fish. And we're going to feel, where is it? Oh, it's right here. Yeah. And what color is the fish? Let's see.
Orange.
Orange. And what's right here? What color is that?
Orange.
Lots of orange. And a little bit of white. Yeah, a little bit of white. It's kind of shiny. Yeah. We like fish. We have pet fish. Say bye-bye, fish.
Bye-bye, fish.
Bye.
Thank you for watching. Bye.